Less than 5, boys. Keep it clean. Keep it clean, guys. Keep it clean. Roll. That's the... Oh. Roll back in the trash. Thank you.
Man, sun glare.
Come on, we're doing so good. What the hell? Come on, guys.
Keep it clean. Keep it clean.
Fucking fourth to last and half a lap.
I think I've been better off on the Falcons.
All right, have the 6 sign up. We got Jordan to the parlay now. What about Brian, Ophir, Adam, Mike, Nick in the 6, Jameen in 7, Martin in Rohan 9, Jack in 10, Ray 11, Rick in 12,
Come on.
Steve in 13. Work together, traffic in the middle, traffic in the middle. Traffic in the middle.
God damn, you got
We got Tony, E, and Brian going at it right now, 1 and 2.
Good. Cloud. That helps.
We got some 2. We got a battle for the 3 spot, Ophir, Adam, and Mike. And we got a battle for the 6 spot. Camille, Ray, Jack, Nate, Steve, Rohan, Mark.
Where's my car? Oh.
All right. My lady Brian Bush. Tony E is in 2. You guys know the colors, guys. Please give us courtesy. 1 and 2. We're going to be coming up behind a lot of traffic. I think he's coming up behind Captain America next.
Okay. Go inside me.
You said keep the inside. Tony E coming up in 2. Coming up behind you too, Jack. Thank you, Jack. 1 and 2 going at it right now, going down to the straightaway. We got a battle for 3 by Adam and Ophir. We got a battle for 6. Ray, Buggy, and Jameen. We got a battle for the 8 by Rohan and Mark. We got Jack and 10, Nick 11, Steve and 12. Who else we got?
Welcome back. 22 right here?
What's the score? All right, 1 and 2 still going at it. That's 1.2 seconds. We got 4 minutes down, 6 to go. 4 minutes down, 6 to go. Go in the back. Okay. All right, we got Brian still to the point, Tony in 2, Ophir in 3, Adam in 4, Mike in 5, Ray in 6. Marshall, wait. Now we got Ray in 6, Rohan in 7, Jameen in 8, Mark in 9, Jack in 10, Steve 11, Nick in 12. We got a battle for the 2 side, Tony E and Ophir. We got a battle for the 4. Adam and Mike. We got a battle for the 65, Ray, Buggy, and Rohan. We got a battle for the 9, Mark and Jack. As you see, Brian, Ophir, and Tony E passing by. Please give us some courtesy. That is 1, 2, and 3. Ah, 4 minutes and 20 seconds left. 4:20, baby. Ryan still to the point. How about Ophir, Tony, Mike, Adam, Ray, Rohan, Jamie, Mark, Jack, and Steve. Third is Tony E. Who's up in third? Mike Malone. You're like this too.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah. We got a battle for the 4th spot, Mike, Malone, and Adam.
What color car is it? He's got the orange.
He's
Not
got
in
the
front of
orange
you.
and yellow. Got a lady that smacked down on you. You better keep that door closed, baby. Steve, win away, Steve. That's the battle right there. Oh, Adam taking over the 4th spot.
Don't start it. I'll start it when the race over. No more. Ah! Fucking lawn darter.
All right. We are coming up to 3 minutes left. The closest battle we have is for the 4th spot. Adam and Mike.
We're out.
Leader. Please give some courtesy, guys. Leader. Brian, you got a 10-second lead. Please don't make mistakes.
Oh, tragically. Oh my fucking God.
Number 2 coming up behind, Mike.
Hey, you go by.
Is there no marshal right there? Yo! Yo!
Oh, that's one out.
Holy fucking shit.
Damn it.
Okay. That phone, baby. Fucking baby. Apple, but straight away, baby.
All right, Brian throws to the point. Okay, he's 4 seconds. If you guys see 1 or 2, give some courtesy, guys. You got going in 3, going in 2 seconds. All right. Brian throws to the point. Ophir 2, Tony and 3. Adam and 4. Ray, Buggy and 5. Rohan 6. Jameen and 7. Mike and 8. Mike moves up to the 7th spot. Jameen falls down to the 8. Mark and 9. Steve and 10. Jack 11. Nick and 12.
Apple, stop straight away, baby.
Brian got a 5-second lead on Ophir. So you need 5 seconds to Ophir for the 2 spot.
1 minute
That's
left.
that. You need 10 seconds now. Got a battle for the 7, Mike and Jamie.
Ah! Get off your ass!
Bless. I mean, not Bless. Mike. All right, 35 seconds left, guys. Seconds left. Oh, there's 3 Still the same.
Yeah, oh no, I'm done.
Damn it. Got caught.
Adam's doing really good.
He's going